G'day guys, Luke here at Honeycombs. Stay tuned, we review all machines. So look, stay tuned, Luke's Machinery Reviews. Have a look, see what we're looking at this week. YouTube and Instagram. Cheers, thank you. Feel free to come and see us. So as you can see, I've just reconfigured it. As you can see here, 20 degrees is sort of the average. So there's been a couple of nights where it's come down to 2 degrees back in August and 1.8. So what you can do, if you're in a high frost area, you can set yourself an alarm to say, let's say, what is it, about 4 degrees, something sort of frost starts to form. You can set yourself an alarm that will let you know that your temperature is getting down. You can then go, or you can either do it automatically from home, depending on what sort of irrigation system you've got. Fire up your irrigator, run a couple of mil over it to lift up that temperature so you don't have any frost issues. So this is a good little system. Once again, I've gone back to crop emergence. I can change that, it'll go to the full distance. So I can use the bottom and scroll in and see what's going on. I can zoom right in, give me temperatures, times. So 7th of the 7th, we had 11 degrees coming up during the day. We've had 19 during the day, cool day up here in North Queensland, 21, there you go. Back down, scroll your mouse over. So we'll go to the day that's actually a bit cold, and we go down the bottom, it was 4.8. That's 27 past midnight. So yeah, we do get some cool nights up here, but yeah, that gives us a bit of an idea.
Hey guys, Luke again. Week 10 of our project.
Crop is coming up extraordinarily well. Out here again today, doing a drone flyover.
Our fortnightly check. Yeah, everything's looking good. Still getting good feedback from our Field Connect.
Good information from our flyovers. So yeah, stay tuned guys, keep in touch, and we'll hopefully have it all up on display very shortly. Thanks for watching.